Hearing aids are great, and hopefully you're wearing them all the time during your waking hours. But let's say you set one down or it inadvertently got knocked off your ear when you were on a walk. What can you do about it? One feature in our latest devices is called Find My Hearing Aids, and it actually works integrated into the Thrive app to enable you to use your phone like a divining rod to say whether you're warmer or colder as you're searching for the device that was lost or misplaced. Let me demo that. If I go to the lower ribbon menu and just bring up the right hand icon and come down here to Find My Hearing Aids, it'll show that both the right and the left devices are connected. And as I move my phone closer to the one that in this case is laying on the desk, you see that bar line up until it shows that I'm right there. The left one is remaining in my ear, so it's farther away, but it can be used to locate that lost instrument. Now, what happens if I left that device and I went home and the battery went dead? It would show the last place that the phone was connected to the device on a map, so that I didn't have to rack my brain if I went home and wondered, was it in my car, was it at home, or did I, in this case, leave it at work? This is a very useful feature that will save a lot of headaches in finding those lost or misplaced devices.